In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this rear bumper step pad on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the spare tire, open this door using the key. You want to remove this lock right here, just twist it to the side and it pulls right out. And you want to get your spare tire tools underneath the back seat. Put these two together. And as you loosen this, the spare tire is going to go down. And just slide that piece out. Just put the tire aside. We want to disconnect some of these connectors. This connector right here, just slide the tab off and slide that out of the way. This is going to go to the rear camera, so we don't have to worry about that. It's not attached to the bumper. The trailer harness connector, push down on the tab. There's one on the top. And rock that back and forth. You disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab. And then the brown connector that goes to this board, disconnect that, and just push down on the tab, slide that out. That harness is going to stay with the bumper. Underneath here, if you have a trailer hitch, you're going to have to take those two bolts out. Use a 21mm socket. On the sides, there's two nuts that you want to take off. Use a 18mm socket. Just going to leave one of these on loosely, just with a couple threads, and I'll take the other one off. And do the same on the other side. I can take those nuts off. There's a little bracket with the studs on them. You want to just slide that out from the other side. I'll do the same on this side. Just be careful. Using a 15mm socket, take this bolt out. You're going to have one on the other side as well. Take a 21mm socket, take this bolt out. And you're going to do the same on the other side. When you take this one out, the bumper is going to be loose, so be careful. Now grab the bumper, just wiggle it straight back. And it slides right out. I'm going to take this push pin off on the side. Just use a trim tool. Take that off, and this will be loose. Now I'm still going to use the trim tool and just get underneath here. You can just pop these up. These are clipped in. You can use some pliers. And just squeeze these. It helps take them out a little bit easier. You're just prying all those out right there. They just pop right out. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. Take the clip off, just with a trim tool. And just using a pry bar, pry it out. That slides right off. And I'll line this up. You can see when you get the tabs all lined up. Then we'll do the same on the other one. If you need to, you can use a rubber mallet. Just get it lined up. Taking the push pin, push those in on the sides. Now take the bumper and line it up. Make sure you slide the spare tire tube in the right spot. Push that in. Get these bolts started underneath. Might have to wiggle the bumper a little, get it to line up. And do the other side as well. If you have a trailer hitch, get these two lined up and started. And this one right here. And the other side. Now these studs. Get the nuts started. And the other side. Now tighten these down. And tighten these down. And tighten the side nuts down. And the bolt. Connect the connector for the trailer hitch, line that up, lock it in place. This wire connector is going to go over here, slide that in place. These other wires, connect this right here, and then this wire is going to go to the board. Connect that right there. Now reinstall the spare tire. Now raise the spare tire. Now slide the lock in place, pull the key out, close the door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.